Well, I put a T18 in trigger and got it all buttoned up there. And while I was doing it, I noticed the motor mount has seen better days. So I think I'm going to change the motor mount out. And I'm going to be replacing it with this one. I actually painted it, but this is from Big Willy Mutant Jeeps. And it's a modern take on the motor mount for the L134s. We'll start by taking the old one off. Okay, I got that off. And we'll do the other side. Okay, I got the lower bolts off, nut off of that one on the engine mount. Okay, now I'm going after this side. Okay, now I'm going to go after this side. Okay, got that one. I think I gotta go up a little bit more. Okay, I got that mount removed. Now I could slip the new one in. I just have my a jack on the oil pan and just jacking the whole engine up here. Okay, so that one, I cut it out with a Sawzall. And I'll slip the other one up in two pieces. So here's the old one. You could see how it just is delaminating. And it was just a matter of time where this thing's gonna just break apart, and then you've got a broken motor mount. So this is the other side. It didn't look quite as bad, but of course I'm gonna replace it. I couldn't get this side up as high as the other side because it was hitting the firewall. So I ended up cutting that off with a Sawzall to get it out. But the new one is in two pieces. So I'm gonna slip the first piece up in there, and then I can get the second piece slid into it like that. And then the pin goes through, you know, the whole setup like that. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay. Okay, so now I've got this upper piece in, and now I'm going to slip this piece up, goes this way, up into it. like that, but I need both hands. Okay, I have the pieces back together and the pin in, and is all I got to do now is bolt everything up. Okay, we got both sides in now on the new motor mounts.